DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Kuga diesel, finished in grey metallic. It's got the running daylights on it, alloy wheels, lovely condition again, as all our cars are. Privacy glass to the rear park distance control. Number plate is a bit tacky, that's going to be replaced. The car's just arrived, it'll have a brand new number plate. Hate things like that, I'm a bit OCD, I like them to look lovely. But yeah, boot area's in lovely condition. Got the parcel shelf, got some mats there as well we've left in. Half leather interior, all in lovely condition. Electric windows, full electric windows, electric mirrors. Again, lovely condition. Automatic headlights to 882 miles. Starts and lovely. Cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, full touch screen on here. It's got the sync. Bear with me. Satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, DAB radio, apps, air conditioning, 6-speed gearbox, centre armrest, USBs in there. There's hardly anywhere on it. Honestly, all our cars, we try and buy well above average condition cars, and as you can see, it's in lovely condition. Also at DJH we offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.